We want to provide the best possible service for our 15 million wastewater customers and make sure our employees are empowered to do this through training and technology. Meet our 3 engineers. Kieran works for Thames Water, Alice works for Lanes Group, and Jimmy works for Kappa. Because of that, they capture information on different devices in different ways. This can lead to gaps in the customer journey captured on our existing workforce management systems. Not having a clear view of a customer's journey can be really frustrating. It means our customers don't always get the right information when they call us, and our employees don't always have the full picture of what has happened or is going to happen to address a customer's problem. From April 2021, we are introducing a new system called Salesforce through the Workforce Management or WFM program. This new system will be used by our employees in the office, as well as our field engineers at Thames Water and our partners including Lanes Group and Kappa. By downloading 3 simple apps, our engineers will be provided with all the information they need to complete the work scheduled to them. They can also use these apps to capture valuable data for office-based teams from site. And as everyone in the field now uses the same apps to capture information, our office-based teams get a full view of what's happened out on site. Win! The apps also capture information about our sites, as well as photos and health and safety forms all in one place. You can also search for customer history on the new app, getting background information about previous visits and issues, which hasn't been available until now. Previously, engineers might have to use a separate app or phone to get to their next job. Our new app has built-in Google Maps, so everything you need is in one place. And you can also use the chatter function to send messages back to the office or to update your colleagues about a job you've completed. We hope you look forward to the WFM rollout and learning about all the benefits it can offer you. For more information, go to the WFM programme page on Yammer or speak to your WFM Change Network representative.